This quick video is about how to add hashtags on your YouTube videos using PC or laptop. Okay, actually you need to add hashtags while you upload a video on YouTube, but you want to add for already uploaded videos means just go to your YouTube channel, then click here. Now YouTube Studio, then Content. Now open the video you want to add. I choose this video. Usually on description, you need to add hashtags. At the end of the description, you can see I added hashtags. Okay, let's see how to type hashtags. You just need to put hash and then type the important keyword of the video. It's just what that video is about. Then it's automatically suggests you some hashtags. You can choose the hashtags, that also very much useful, or you can type manually. I just show you how to type manually. For example, this video is about WhatsApp community, so I type WhatsApp community as a hashtag. And the next one, it's a WhatsApp new update feature, right? So I add WhatsApp next update as a hashtag. And I also add our channel name on one hashtag. That's very much helpful to find our videos. Then while type hashtags, two things you have to keep in mind. 1. Type your hashtag without space, like hash, then type the keyword. You can use capital or small letters, but no gap from start to end. And you can also use underscore in between two different words if you wish. Or you just type without space like this. Second, don't add more number of hashtags. You can add more than 3, but it is recommended always stick with 3 hashtags. That's it. After you enter the hashtags, if you click publish, you are done. I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.